Hello students, our today's topic is chapter 4 simple equation. So let's start our topic. Priya is given rupees 500. She bought ribbon with rupees 100 and she bought balloons with the remaining amount. Now we can write this information like this. She has rupees 500 total. She bought ribbon with rupees 100 and balloons with the left amount. We have to find how much amount is spent on balloon. We can frame a number sentence using this information that money spent on ribbon that is equal to rupees 100 plus money spent on balloons is equal to rupees 500. Now rupees 100 plus, if we write the money spent on balloons as by B letter, then rupees 100 plus B, that is money spent on balloon, is equal to rupees 500. Here the letter B is known as variable. A variable is a value whose value keeps on changing. Variable is a quantity whose value keeps on changing. Let us define variable. Variable is a quantity that may change within the context of mathematical problem. Variables are usually denoted by letters, alphabet like X, Y, Z, A, B, C, so on. In our first problem, we have framed a number sentence rupees 100 plus B is equal to rupees 500. Now here B was variable and the power of B is equal to 1, as B means B raised to power 1. So an algebraic equation in which highest power of the variable is 1 is called linear equation. Is called a linear equation. For example, if I write y plus 2 is equal to 5. Here y is a variable and the power of y is 1. If I write so, y square plus 6 is equal to 9. Here power of variable y is 2. So it is not a linear equation. Not a linear equation. Now on the concept of linear equation, we will do following 3 types of problems. First, we will write the equation for the given problem. In second case, we will write the equation in statement form, and in third case, we can form the equation from the given statement. We will do these types of problem one by one. First type of problems are like this. We have to write the equation for the following problems. 4 less than y, using these symbols 4 less than y. So first we will write y, then 4 less than, it means subtract 4. Second, 2 more than twice of x. First we will write twice of x, that is equal to 2x. Then 2 more than this. 2 more than this means plus 2. So we have framed an equation using this given symbols. Our next problem is we are given an equation and we have to write this equation in statement form. So our first equation is 3k is equal to 18. We can write this equation in statement form as this 3 times of k is equal to 18. So the equation is 3 times of k is 18. The next equation is k by 2 plus 5 is equal to 20. We can write this as sum of half of k. K by 2 means half of k plus 5. So sum of half of k and 5 is 20. Our next problem is write the equation for the given statements. The first statement is difference between b and 3 is 7. So its equation is equal to difference between b and 3, that is equal to b minus 3 is 7, is equal to 7. Next, 15 times c is 60. 15 times c is 60. So 15 times of c is 60, that is equal to 60. 1/7 of a number, 1/7 of a number minus 7 gives 7. Here number is not given, so we can take any number. If I take this number as p, 1/7 means 1/7 of p minus 7 gives 7. Our next problem is form an equation. Rohan has 3 less than 4 times the number of candies that Shivani has, and Rohan has 17 candies. Take k as the number of candies. We have to frame an equation for this given problem. So first see, Rohan has 3 less than 4 times the number of candies Shivani has. Means first we have to take the candies of Shivani, and it is given take k as the number of candies for Shivani. So write, let the number of candies of Shivani is equal to k. Now we will find the candies for Rohan. Number of candies of Rohan is equal to, say this relation, 3 less than what? 4 times the number of candies of Shivani. First find the 4 times of Shivani's candy. Shivani's candies is k. 4 times of Shivani's candies is 4k. 3 less than, and 3 less than this 4 times, that is equal to 4k minus 3. Also it is given Rohan has 17 candies. Given number of candies of Rohan is equal to 17. So the given equation can be framed as 4k minus 3 is equal to 17, as these are the candies of Rohan and these are also the candies of Rohan. These two numbers will be equal. That is equation. We have framed a linear equation using the given statement. I think I have cleared the concept of linear equation, and now you can do let's try one of chapter 7. Thank you.